Yay! So, yan guys, ang lake ko, napaka-kalma.
Calma.
Halika, halika bebe, jogging tayo.
They see you, baby.
So what? What's wrong? Iwan ako ng asawa ko. Look, mula rito. Ang linaw talaga ng tubig sa Greece, guys. Ah, no. It's not dead because it's moving. Look, it's... No. What you... Maybe it looks not so clear, but it's not from toilet, I think. Hopefully, because you eat pa naman fish yesterday. Fresh fish from the lake. Ito guys, oh, sarap ihawin. Wait, can you hold it? Sarap ihawin guys, ang taba. Very nice food, this one. It's good the meat looks
Crispy.
very fat.
Crispy.
Maybe we can catch. We bring, look, baby there, oh.
A big one.
So big, ang haba ng
The
liit.
male. The
Ah,
boy.
this is the male. Yeah. Oh my God, ganda nila, no? What is this place, baby? Here?
Not for me.
Nakaktos. Because I will put in the vlog. So, meron silang park. Yung mga bata nag-enjoy jogging area. Oh, how much they rent that one? Ang cute na house nila. Yeah.
Not moving even.
Yeah,
Look how
look.
they're watching us.
Oh my God.
Ella. Ella.
Quack, 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 quack. He's moving here. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, flowing the feet. Oh. Quack, 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 quack.
Not even much moving.
Ilang kilo kaya to? Bebe, oh. So big, oh. Giant. Quack, 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 quack. Ah, they always cleaning, ala. You like Milo, ah? Always licking his body.
What is you doing now? What you exercise?
Exercise. You want me to make exercise, right? This is for the hips, deep hips. I will teach you.
You know how to move. Now move it. Move it.
I'm heavy.
Wrong you. No, only your half body must moving. Only down.
Only down.
Not this way. Come. Go on. So only down. This. Up. You see, not moving. This is makes for the.
I thought it's for the hips. Let's see.
Make it.
Sige na, you will...
I want to see it.
Hello! Kapuchi, kuchi, 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 malakusukutu! Achukuchu! You can change your hair and you can change your clothes. Ba? Jogging. Walang gana yung asawa ko. Bye-bye!
I'm curious to see my previous shop not up.
You can change your hair and you can change. So nice. So ayan guys, oh. Wala pang mga tanim yung ano. Ay wala pang mga dahon. So ayan. Ay sorry. Pagod pala mag-jogging. Ang ano guys, parang style na Fleo din siya. Sa Verna Style Restaurant. Alog-alog na naman yung cellphone ko. So, ayan guys. Ganda dito guys. But wait lang. So, ganda niya guys. Niwan ako ng asawa ko. So, ito yung street nila guys. Mga coffee shop. I took a video from there. Yeah. When? When we come back? Okay. Oh, so nice. Very clear here, the water. Let's wait so I can see the restaurant. So, ang ganda. They will sit for coffee. They will sit and so, ang ganda ng city. We go on the other side? Wait. Okay, you can go. Where we go? Papunta. Diyos ko naman. Wherever we go, my husband has shop. Bebe, you put everywhere, they replaced na? This is yours before? Ayan. Oh. Yung asawa ko nag-business din pala ng fruits. Oh.
With tent.
Bebe, fruits and so big your place.
This was.
So good. Now they changed now. They replaced now to those in
This
Eh.
was already when I was here and still exists.
well. Look. This is the city here. So maraming lugar yung asawa ko na tumira. Halos buong Athens. Here dan. Halos buong kung saan Greece na yan siya napapadpad. Yeah. Next time, Bebe, we go Castoria, ha? Your place. Kaya. Dito pala, unang kinasal yung asawa ko. Bebe, dito ka kinasal? Yes. Tapos, nung pumunta siya ng Pilipinas, dito niya prinasas yung kanyang, no, Bebe? When you go to Philippines, this place where you process your divorce to marry you. Mag-travel talaga siya, guys, para mag-clear lang siya para sa akin. Charis. We go there, ba? Oh? In that side, no? There, with the boat. Yeah. Oh. Yan. Chichi. They put also coffee shop there. Kasawa ko. What's inside, ba? What is there? Nothing.
Outside.
Okay, so also see.
There I living in this building. There, down.
So you're very near to the city, really.
Very good price also.
So ayan guys, yung castle nila. Wala na kaming time umakyat dyan sa sobrang taas. You want here?
Yeah.
Nice also. Why not?
Or even better here.
Yeah, it can be. Let's go. We will have now coffee.
Yes.
Of course, my husband always loves coffee. Coffee. Endless coffee. I don't know if it's open. Not yet. You like here? Plastic ng ngiti nito. The real one. Not plastic smile. With iced tea. Water. Colored water. Good to sula.
This cup is good to have.
Hala.
in home.
Come here. We will go home. You want new home? Hala. Come.